Well, hey there, everybody. Hope everybody's doing well. So, in today's video, I did a good old tater salad for you, as we'd say in the South. It's just some 6 potatoes, and then it's just 1 onion. Then I used 6 eggs, and then I had some sweet pickles, and I also used dill pickle as well. I just forgot to set them out. And then it's going to be some yellow mustard, and then some mayonnaise. And then for the seasoning, I used the good old Uncle Steve shake. I used the original for it. But this is just a simple little recipe, just how I cook. It's good old simple, easy stuff. But this is a good side you can use for a lot of different stuff, barbecues or just whatever else you need to use a tater salad for. So start off with my onion here and do a quick little chop, little magic of editing there. And then pickles, I use 3 sweet pickles and then 2 dill pickles, and then a little chop, and there we go. Got them done too. And then I did just a fine dice on those, and I used 6 eggs, so I just boiled them up to a hard boil. And then I always throw ice on them when they're done, just to cool them off, and it helps with the peeling process as well and stop the cooking so you won't get the green looking yolk in them. And do another magic chop on these, little magic. Don't you love editing? And then the potatoes, I used 6 just kind of medium-sized russet potatoes, but if you use whatever potato you want, Yukon Golds or just the little red potatoes as well. And I chopped them up about 1-inch pieces so they'll cook pretty close to the same. And then with them, it's just throw them in cold water, threw in a little butter with them, and then I did the Uncle Steve shake, and I boiled them till you see there's just fork tender here, and then it's draining them off. And then I can start mixing up. It's a cup of mayonnaise, and then it's a tablespoon of yellow mustard, and they'll just all go in the bowl. And then I sprinkled it over with the Uncle Steve shake, and then it's just simply just mixing it up, and then let it cool for about an hour in the refrigerator. And then I topped it off with just a little bit more of the Uncle Steve's, and there you go. Now, if you don't have Uncle Steve's, you need to get some, one thing, but then you can use maybe just a little Cajun seasoning or something like that, and it'll be just good too. But that's a good old tater salad for you. Great side dish for many things. I love y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Y'all like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.